Now, actor Sunil Shetty also spoke exclusively to India Today. He slammed the propaganda drive, saying that protest is an internal issue to India and outsiders really have no right to comment.
अभी किसान आंदोलन को लेकर ऐसे लोगों के ट्वीट्स और चीज़ें भी आई हैं जो भारत से बाहर के हैं और भारत की जनता कह रही कि ये हमारा आंतरिक मामला है, हमें सुलटने दीजिए, बाहर के लोगों के दखल की जरूरत है।
तो कहीं ना कहीं ठीक ही कह रहे हैं, लेकिन साथ साथ एक नैरेटिव भी बनाया जा रहा है कि हम किसान के खिलाफ है। जब हमारे फोरफादर्स किसान थे और किसान हैं, और जिस गांव से, छोटे से गांव से आता हूं मैं, मुल्की मैंगलोर, जहां आज भी 70% जो जगह है फील्ड्स है और वो हमारे लिए सब कुछ है, तो हम क्यों किसी के अगेंस्ट जाएंगे? हम भी चाहते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द इसकी सलाह हो, मीडिएशन हैपेंस एंड एवरीथिंग सेटल्स। दुख इसी बात का होता है बार बार कि हम पर उंगलियां उठाई जाती है। पहली बात यह है कि आई एम एन इंडियन, तो मैं ये नहीं चाहूँगा कि दूसरे लोग हमारे ऊपर, ठीक है, उनकी सोच कुछ भी हो, लेकिन ऐसे कमेंट जो है जो हमें एक थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्री और एक बैकवर्ड कंट्री की तरह दिखाए और बताए। हमने पैंडेमिक को बहुत खूबसूरती से हैंडल किया, तो जब हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स खुद रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं तो अच्छा नहीं लगता कि बाहर के लोग हमारे बारे में कुछ कहे। तो मेरी यही विनती है सबसे कि इंडिया के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचिए, इंडियन बन के सोचे और वैसा ही रहे।
Now, going back to Greta Thunberg, she tweeted about the new toolkit just hours after she faced flack for her first tweet, which was deleted, that had some elaborate plan to defame India. Chaiti Narula brings us this explanation on what really the toolkit has in it.
These are the two documents on your screens right now. This is the first kit which has been deleted. This is the new toolkit on your screens right now. Let's take a look at what's in the new toolkit. It talks about the usage of hashtags, farmers protest, stand with farmers. These are the hashtags that make way into this particular document. Talks about holding protests at Indian embassies, digital strike, ask India why is another hashtag as well. And here is what's removed from the new document but still in the old deleted document. The allegations of state-backed genocide against farmers, mention of 26 Jan protests, creating a Twitter storm, and the mention of Adani and Ambani as well.
Let me cut across back to Geeta Mohan. Geeta, we heard what Greta Thunberg's new toolkit has or what it doesn't have. Previously, the toolkit had something referring to farmer genocide. This is the kind of misinformation exactly what the government has been condemning. You speak about it. Nobody is stopping you from putting your opinion forward. But spreading misinformation, especially when ideally, so far, responsible celebrities indulging in spreading misinformation really doesn't seem well on them. It doesn't look good on them. Greta Thunberg is followed world over. And for her to come up with something like that is shocking. The MEA condemning it.
Well, absolutely, and that's the reason why you see those omissions. They are not just politically incorrect. They could amount to the Indian administration if people would have started following and started using such terms. It could have led to a lot of problem and chaos, and that's the reason why influencers should be responsible with what they're tweeting, even if they are and want to continue expressing solidarity and support. Having said that, when it comes to information that's coming in and a lot of people asking or questioning whether if outsiders can speak or talk about or tweet about the ongoings within India, a lot of these celebrities, a lot of these people, a lot of Indians did tweet about things that were happening in the United States of America, say for example the Capitol riots. So nobody can stop anybody from expressing concern. It's only when it is done in an organized manner where such terminologies come in that it becomes a concern, and that's the reason why we see the omission of these terms from which were there in the previous toolkit to the new to the latest toolkit that has been put out by Greta Thunberg. But meanwhile, we'll again have to wait and see what the Ministry of External Affairs really has to say today.
Right.
Around 6:30, the Ministry of External Affairs is going to hold its weekly briefing, and we'll hear from them as to what they really have to say, not just on celebrities and personalities coming out, but governments now coming out and commenting on the farmers' protest.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Geeta, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.